Now, Iowa needs 162,000 daycare slots to meet the need, and that's 40,000 more than the capacity of all of Iowa child care centers combined right now.
KCRG TV9's Keegan Turnbow shares how a new daycare center opening this month in Dubuque aims to be a model for the future of child care.
Caring for babies and young children will go beyond the classroom when the St. Mark Early Childhood Center opens in a couple weeks.
We're going to be bringing nature inside whenever we can't be outside. So playing with like loose parts that are like pine cones and leaves and twigs and things like that.
This center has a capacity for 52 kids, getting Dubuque County one step closer to meeting the community's demand. State data shows Dubuque County needs more than 5,000 child care slots, but all of the county's daycares combined still don't meet that by hundreds. Dubuque's Economic Development Director says that's an improvement.
3 years ago, if you needed an infant slot, there was a 10-month waiting list.
Connor says today there's no waiting list for infant care. Statewide, however, there are 40,000 fewer child care slots available compared to demand. Child Care Resource and Referral of Northeast Iowa's Mary Jansen says the biggest barriers facing the child care industry today is the workforce and affordability.
We know that it's one of the highest costs for families, but we also know that for a child care program, home or center, it's their only income coming into that program are the fees that come from those families or the state assistance that they receive for children.
Jansen says child care centers need more federal, state, and community support to pay workers what they deserve and make child care more affordable. To open this center, St. Mark's executive director says it raised more than $1.75 million to help renovate this warehouse into a daycare and help families in need pay for the about $270 per week cost of care.
Kids from both ends of the financial spectrum, from the academic spectrum, from the social emotional skill spectrum, do better when they're together and they can learn and grow from each other. And so it's really important to me that all kids have access.
Coogan says some scholarships available will cover the full cost of care, letting families of all incomes access this nature-based child care center. In Dubuque, Keegan Turnbow, KCRG TV9 News.